Omuteresi wa ttiimu y'eggwanga The Cranes Micho Sredovic awabidde ekibiina ekifuga omuzannyo gw'omupiira mu ggwanga ekya FUFA eri FIFA olw'okumenya endagaano gye baakola naye bwe baganye okumusasula ensimbi ze ezisoba mu bukadde 23. Micho agamba nti yasooka n'awandiikira FUFA ebbaluwa mu mwezi gw'omukaaga ng'asaba bamusasula ensimbi ze z'abanja era n'ataddibwamu. Yaddamu n'abawandiikira mwezi ogw'omunaana ng'era abasaba bamusasula ensimbi ze wabula teyaddibwamu.
June, I sent the letter of demand for paying me my salaries from FUFA, no answer. August, same letter, no answer. I kept quiet, wishing to make people happy and proud. Believing and living my life under the firm code of conduct, ethics, and fair play, I strongly believe that after we have qualified, time has come that what is owed to me, I'm supposed to get.
Okusinziira ku Micho yabadde mativu nti kaatutte Uganda Cranes mu mpaka z'ekikopo ky'amawanga Africa Gabon 2017 FUFA egenda musasula ensimbi ze zonna z'abanja wabula ne gye buli eno mpaawo FUFA kye yakoze ekimuviiriddeko okwekubira enduulu mu FIFA osanga n'ayambibwa.
Seeing that people have stated in public that everything is clear to me, I was forced, my legal representative, to take the legal action in FIFA in Switzerland on one side, while me, because of breach of contract and disrespect, lack of fair play, losing sense of shame. I'm a very peaceful guy, I do my job, I have served this country loyally and diligently. I have been servant and soldier. And I believe that on one side, legally, I will look to get, because last time when I went out of Uganda, I have gone out of Uganda 10 months unpaid salaries from Sports Club Villa, 10 months, and I have never got this despite trying legal action. Now, I have invested so much, I cannot leave this. I cannot forgive this.
Micho ategeezezza nti ekyokubanga abanja ensimbi si kyakugootanya kalufu beewe okuteekateeka ttiimu y'eggwanga okukiika mu kikopo ky'amawanga Africa era nakinogaanya nti si wakusulawo mulimu.
I do my job. Camp before Ghana game is there, friendly is there, camp before final tournament in Gabon is there. Is meaning we are doing, even now before meeting you, we have just finished the changing of the letters, and I can officially announce that we are having the camp before Ghana game, as we have done before last time playing against Ghana. We had camp in Niger and we went to play and we got a result there 1-1.
FUFA egamba nti wadde Micho abanja bali mu nteekateeka y'okumusasula ensimbi ze zonna z'abanja kyokka ekizibu kye bakyalinawo kwe kubanga ensimbi zikyabeekubya mpi. Ku Kingdom TV amalindi ag'ebyemizannyo Brian Katende.
This is Kingdom TV.